thick and creamy custard with all the deliciousness of sweet mangoes. Let's make mango custard. We will begin by making puree from the chopped mangoes. These are 2 mangoes that I had peeled and chopped. Make sure you use the sweet ripe mangoes for this recipe. Let's blend this into a puree. The mango puree is ready. After the mango puree, it's time to make the custard mixture. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder and adding to this 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Let's mix this until no lumps. The custard mixture is ready. Next, I'm putting half a liter of full fat milk to boil. We will let the milk boil on medium flame. The milk has come to a nice boil. At this stage, I am adding half a cup of sugar and the custard mixture. Whisk along as you add the custard mixture. Soon, you will see the mixture thickening up. Cook for 2 minutes and switch off the heat. Now, we will let the custard cool down. And once it does, I'm transferring it into a large bowl. Now, I'm adding to it the mango puree we made. Whisk nicely to combine. I'm putting this mango custard in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Once the custard is cool and nice, it's time to enjoy it. For serving, I'm pouring ladles of custard into the dessert glass, topping it with mango chunks, pomegranate seeds and chopped dry fruits. Mango custard, all yours to indulge in. Have a mango-licious time. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.